Hey everybody, this is Mr. Beck coming to you from the new room 221, also known as my basement. This is kind of my office here, and I hope that all of you are doing well. Uh, Today's date is April 22nd, but this video will probably be posted probably on April 24th, this Friday, or a little bit later. And just kind of hoping that everybody's doing okay. Wanted to kind of get some reminders out to you and some basic information out to you. Some similar things to my last video. Um, I'm going to try to make this short and sweet. So a few basic announcements here. Make sure you're checking your student email every day. Okay. Obviously, there's some information being sent to you from me and your other teachers in that email. Also, make sure that you are on your Google website logging in. I will be kind of taking note and noticing who's logging in and things like that. If you have not yet done so, and a lot of people have not, please sign up for the Remind app. You can find that information right either in your email inbox or on the Google website. Also, just wanted to kind of give you a heads up. Make sure that you and your parents are checking out the eCourse Public Schools main website. It's on the website is ecourse.education, and there you will find a survey you could have your parents do, and that's right on the main website. The survey just kind of involves who's going to pick up a hard copy of assignments and things like that. Okay, so that's at ecourse.education, and of course remember there's new work that's going to be posted on Google websites every week. Pretty much every Monday, and also it will be on the ecourse.education website as well. If you have any questions, you can just email me. Now, real quick, I'm going to make this short and sweet here. I wanted to just bring your attention to a few assignments that are posted, that were posted actually this past Monday, okay, which would have been Monday, April 20th, okay? And real quick here, in case you're watching this video, I'm going to let you to kind of take a look at this. I'll put this whiteboard up here. If you know, when I put it up, I tend to see it backwards, but hopefully you are seeing it the correct way. So if you're watching this video, you could pause it, but this is what's on the Google website, okay? Okay, so these are your assignments, okay? You could always go back through and pause that and things of that nature, and I'll refer to this in the next minute or so. First assignment that we had to do is basically a News ELA article. There's an article and 7 questions. Okay, the article is about the Grand Canal in China, so it incorporates elements of history and geography, really ancient history when you're going back in China, but it's a man-made canal that was built in China, and you have to read the article, answer the 7 questions. As I said, there's geography and history, so you have to refer to a map in the article as well. But one of the key reasons it was actually built was because many of the rivers in China run east to west. The Grand Canal runs north to south. So the Chinese Empire that it was built under felt that it was a wise thing to do because it helped get goods and people from the north to the south because there were no rivers that ran in that direction. So your responsibility is to read the article, answer the questions. The next assignment, which would be right here, okay, this is a visual vocabulary assignment, and hopefully when I hold that whiteboard up, you guys are seeing it in the correct way. This is all on Google Classroom, but the visual vocabulary is real simple. It's similar to a picture board. I provided you the terms and definitions. All you have to do is really just look at the terms and definitions, and I believe the directions say to pick 8. So when you pick your 8 terms and definitions, you're going to draw a picture of it, okay? And when you draw a picture, just write a 1 to 2 sentence summary of your picture, just explaining what it is, okay? Don't worry about your artwork or the quality of your drawings. Just do your best as you would in a picture board, and it's all good, okay? The third assignment which would be right here, is what's called the sovereign state packet. And the sovereign state packet is a little bit longer of an assignment. If I can get a copy of that here. It's a little bit longer of an assignment that I'm going to have you do. Okay. And it looks like this right here. Okay. And at the beginning of the assignment, just a note, the first part of the copy, it has doubles. Okay. That's just for teachers to make copies and then cut them in half. There's a brainstorm part, and then there's a don't peek part. You only have to do one of each. Okay. You know, obviously I'm not going to make you do two of the same thing. You have to do one of each. Now, the only thing you have to do with that is read through the packet and do the activities, the questions, do your absolute best. But just a heads up, if you're watching this video and if you tuned into the Zoom meeting, I might be posting the answers to that a little bit later on this week, maybe this Friday, the same time this video is posted, okay? So it's pretty straightforward, and as always, if I have shared a copy of you or with you of this work, you can do the assignment right on Google Classroom and turn it in that way, or you can write your answers down in an inbox, email it to me, it's fine that way. Or lastly, if it's easier for you just to do a hard copy and then take a picture and send it to me, that's okay as well. And as always, you know, do your best. Do your best and stay healthy and stay safe. And remember to, you know, try to keep up on your work and keep turning stuff in and just doing a good job and everything. And I really appreciate all you guys who have been showing up for the Zoom meetings and making the effort to do work. And, you know, get out there and try to read as much as possible when we're off. And lastly, if you haven't been doing so, try to get outside when there's sunny days and do some physical exercise. And I wish all of you the very best. And wish good things for you and hope that you're all staying healthy and staying busy. And I'll talk to you next time.